In this video, I will guide you how you can organize pages and post in folders in your WordPress. So organizing your files and managing all the media files is a very crucial step in order to run a smooth website. So first of all, we need to head over to the plugin section and click on add new plugin. There are many plugins that are offering the file manager services, but in my opinion, there is a plugin called Filebird, or you just need to search for files and you will see the list of file managing services. So the best one is, as I said, this one, Filebird. So you just need to install and activate it, and let me show you how does this work. But you need to keep in mind some of them are paid, like Filebird as well. So before going into the setting, let me show you how does this work. If I go to my media or library, as you can see, there is a new section which is called Filebird. This is going to be the same interface of the post and pages as well. You will have your folders right in this menu. You just need to click on create a new folder, and let's say I have a new folder called gradient. If I click on the save button, next step is you just need to drag and drop your particular files just like so. If you want to add more than one, you just need to click on select bulk and simply select all your files and put it right into the folder. Again, as I said, this is a paid feature for pages and posts, but the interface will going to be the same. If you want to invest and save your time, I recommend you to go for it. Otherwise, you can organize it by just naming them. So hope this helped. This is how you can organize pages and posts in WordPress.